In this section I will talk about statistical significance. Common error that people make when optimizing PPC campaigns is making decisions based on insignificant data. Let me show you an example. Here we have Google AdWords web interface, and we have some simple ad group with many keywords, and for example we want to sort that keywords by click-through rate. When we sort that keywords, we'll notice one unusual thing, that first few keywords have really high click-through rates. For example, first keyword has click-through rate of 20%. However, when we look at number of clicks, it has only 2 clicks. The same is for second keyword, which has only 1 click. So it's obvious that these click-through rates are just a result of a statistical error. Same thing happens when we sort by conversion rate. First keyword has conversion rate of 100%, but it has only 1 conversion, and the same thing happens for other keywords. So it's obvious that if only 1 customer did the conversion on that keyword, that doesn't mean this keyword is really a good keyword. We can say that this keyword is a good keyword because it has 50 conversions. So conversion rate of 23% is really relevant for that keyword. So we see what is the problem and how to solve that problem. Well, you have 2 options. First option is to wait few years until all keywords have relevant data, which is of course impossible. And the approach we used in PPC Manager is to separate keywords into 2 groups. Significant keywords. In that group we have keywords with valid data, with enough data, and insignificant keywords which contains other keyword with not enough traffic. For that group we'll use summary statistics to decide what to do with them. Let me switch to PPC Manager. So here we have the same ad group with same keywords and the same problem. We have first keyword with click-through rate 20%, but only 2 clicks. And same problem with conversion rate. We will turn on grouping by significance, but before that I will go to grouping settings, and here we can see settings for statistical significance. We'll say that item is significant if it has at least 5 conversions, or 50 clicks, or 500 impressions, or its cost is greater than $5. So that is our criteria. You can change that preferences if you want. So with that said, when I go to grouping significance, I'll get 2 groups, significant group and others, and I can expand significant group. I can browse through all the keywords, make relevant decisions based on their data, and I can also expand other keywords. In that group we have all keywords which don't have at least 50 clicks or 5 conversions. And I can also make relevant decision, but not based on their data, which is highly irrelevant, but based on their group data. We can see that for all these items in a group, average click-through rate is 1% and average conversion rate is 16%. That data is relevant because numbers are high enough. So group in total has 30 clicks and group in total has 5 conversions. When we navigate to some other ad group, grouping is regenerated. So we can again make decisions based on relevant data.